Huh?
Hey, what is that?
1500 grit. Hey, bro, what is this?
Hey, what the fuck? That shit feels like a blanket.
Bro, what's that for, bro? Wait, we also...
Our toenails?
We also got clear coat. Nah, bro, for my toenails, I need 60 grit.
What the
That shit's too soft, bro. Anyways, we got clear coat and sandpaper. What are we doing, bro?
I don't fucking know.
What's good, YouTube? So I hope you're all having a great day. Anyway, so we got this 1500 sand grit paper, and the reason we have 1500 is we're about to sand down the whole car by hand. We're gonna wet sand it, and then after we wet sand all of it, we're gonna clear coat it and then wet sand it again, but with finer grit like 2000. And after that, we're gonna polish and all that good stuff, and hopefully we're gonna make the car look a lot better, make it look a lot more even, make that glass pop. And yeah, so this episode we're just gonna get the sanding and clear coat done. You ready for this, Dave?
Hell yeah, let's get it.
Alright guys, we are stacked with a bunch of sandpaper squares, so we're ready to get it. David, you ready to get it? You ready to got the water? Hell yeah, bro, we about to smooth this shit out, and it's gonna be mint. Let's get into it. Alright guys, it's coming along. It's getting a lot more smoother now, so that's good. But yeah, I just finished the hood. I finished the whole left side of the car, so now I just need the right side, and then we'll be good for clear coat. What are you doing over here, Dave?
Huh?
What are you doing, bro? You rebuilding the engine?
Yeah, I'm rebuilding it, bro.
Shit. What are you doing right now?
Huh?
What are you doing right now?
Huh? What?
No, what are you doing right now?
What's up?
There's no one there, bro. What?
Huh?
Alright guys, I am finally done with sanding the whole car. Hey David, hey, feel it, bro. Tell me how smooth it is.
Alright.
Sure, bro, tell me.
Oh shit.
Is that shit smooth or not?
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna roll it out of the garage and wash it all off, let it dry, and then we can start the clear coat. What the fuck? What the fuck? Hey bro, why does this shit look like tie-dye? Alright guys, it's nice and smooth now. It's nice and dry. So let's go ahead and hit this with the clear coat. And let's make this shit pop. So right now, we're just gonna hit the fender and the door and see what difference that makes. And yeah, we're gonna continue on from there.
Here we go.
Alright guys, so we're done with the gloss. Looks shiny as fuck already. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like in the sun. The key's in there, bro. It has to be in there now. Alright guys, let's see what this looks like. Alright guys, so it's a little bit more glossier. We still gotta sand that. We're gonna save that for another time though. It's coming along though guys. After we sand it again, we're gonna polish it. And yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. There will be more videos including the Civic, so stay tuned for that. The paint is almost done. It's coming along nicely. David, what are you doing, bro?
I'm trying to make these things balance.
Huh? 1,000 subs. Huh? Alright guys, so we're so close to 1,000 subs. We're going to be filling in every mark we hit. So please hit that subscribe button. Leave a like. Again, our website now has stickers up. So if you want to cop a sticker for your car, they will be available. Follow us on our Instagram. What's Instagram?
Broke Boy Season. SCN. Broke Boy Season. That's it.
Alright guys. Have a blessed day. And I'm out. Chew. Chew.
Chew.
Chew. Get that shit. Chew.
Here we go.